Uploading PDFs, PowerPoints, or any document is similar to adding any module. To add a document to a slide or area on the page, make sure the subtle blue dotted line is outlining the slide you wish to add to. If it is not, just click anywhere on the slide so that it is. Click the blue plus button to access the ePortfolio content library. Once there, scroll down and select the Upload File option. Then, either click Choose File to browse your computer or drag and drop the document you wish to upload. The file size limit is 1 GB per file, but there is no limit to the amount of content you can have on a portfolio page. The document appears on the portfolio page right where we want it. You can do this or drag and drop any document saved on your computer directly into your slide. Like all modules, your documents can be moved and resized however you see fit. By clicking the pencil-shaped edit button beside our image, we're given the ability to replace the document with a different file. We can even add more files to it by creating a gallery. To learn more about creating and editing galleries, watch our Creating Galleries tutorial. Okay, so let's say we want our document to be downloadable for our viewers, or we want to edit captions. Those style settings can be managed by clicking the gear icon beside the document. In this new window to the left, you can choose whether or not to display the file by toggling the switch beside Display File. You can give other users visiting your site the option to download your document as its original file type. You can also adjust the settings for your document's caption. To add a caption, simply click on the caption background on your document. It'll be that transparent gray box. Then type in that text box. Now back in our settings window, we can choose to have this sit at the top, the middle, or the bottom of our document. Now we can choose the font size, color, text alignment, marginal padding, and even the background color and opacity. To have no caption appear for other viewers, simply delete your caption's text. Okay, let's close that settings window. So with any document uploaded to a slide, you and your viewers can interact with the document by using the toolbar at the top of it. To access it, simply hover over the document. Using this toolbar, anyone can now toggle through pages, zoom in, print, and download the document as a PDF. You can even use the scroll bar to navigate the document on the side.